In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage subscriptions in Gmail easily. If your inbox feels crowded with newsletters and marketing emails, this quick cleanup will help you take back control without digging through messages one by one. First, head straight to the Gmail homepage and sign into your account. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This is where Gmail organizes your inbox into different views and labels. You'll see options like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and more. Keep scrolling down this sidebar until you find the option that says More. Click it to expand the full list of available sections. In that expanded list, look for the section labeled Manage Subscriptions and click on it. Think of this as your central control panel for subscriptions. Gmail gathers the newsletters, updates, and promotional emails you've signed up for over time and displays them in one convenient place so you don't have to hunt through your inbox to find each sender. After you click, you'll see a comprehensive list of subscriptions linked to your email address. This view makes it easy to scan everything at once. On the right-hand side of each subscription, you'll notice an unsubscribe option. This is where the real cleanup happens. When you choose to unsubscribe, Gmail will guide you through the process. Sometimes it's instant, and other times a small confirmation may appear. It's normal for it to take a few days for changes to fully reflect, depending on the sender's system. Take a moment to review your list carefully. Ask yourself which emails you still find useful, maybe industry updates you actually read or a brand you regularly follow, and which ones you scroll past without opening. If a sender name looks unfamiliar, you can pause for a second and consider whether you've engaged with them recently. It's perfectly fine to be selective here. The goal is to keep only what serves you. When you're ready, simply click unsubscribe on any subscription that's no longer relevant. You can repeat this for as many senders as you like. Don't worry, if you change your mind later, you can always return to a website and sign up again. As you work through the list, you'll likely notice your inbox becoming more focused with fewer distractions and more room for messages that matter. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.